Hey everyone, have you ever wanted to operate your system from your mobile phone? Sounds interesting, right? So, in this video, I am going to show you how you can achieve that. You are going to need the following things. First, a Gmail account. Secondly, the Google Chrome extension called Chrome Remote Desktop for your laptop and the same application for your mobile phone. And third, a stable internet connection. Having said that, let's start our video. First step, download the Chrome extension for your system. You can download one from here. Then, download the same application on your mobile phone. You can search for one from the Play Store. Now, after adding the Chrome extension to your system, log into your Gmail account and click on this Chrome extension. It will redirect you to the setup page. Click here to turn on the feature. Enter your system name and configure the PIN you want. Your system should be ready for connection. Now, open the same application on your mobile phone and log in same Gmail account in it. Once you are logged in, you will be able to see your system name in the list. Simply tap on the name to connect. It will ask you to enter the PIN you have configured already. You should now be able to see your system's screen on your mobile. You can operate it from your mobile now. On the top right corner, you can see multiple available options which you can use to send commands on your system. Here we have a keyboard option to type, and mouse options available which you can select with respect to your need. That's all folks. If you like my video, please comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Take care. Goodbye.